MagSafe plug. Hit my line like it ain't just up. Pressing decline is a sugar rush. I'm laid back, but I don't front. Passenger side in the MagSafe plug. Speak my mind, cause I know you won't. Pressing decline is a sugar rush.
Oh, hey, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know that song, you should. That's by Jonathan Morrison and Julia Wolf, and it's called MagSafe. And of course, it's based off the MagSafe technology from Apple products. And today we're talking about that. That is the MagSafe Duo charger. I just got it yesterday. I think it's really neat. I also think it's gonna be like the holiday gift this year. It's a super portable charger meant for your Apple products, one wireless charger and then an Apple Watch charger on the other side. In typical Apple fashion, it is a bit expensive at $129. This thing is really neat. So cool that I was like, I need to make a video about this right away. So here we go. As you can tell, the box is really small with this thing, and that's because just like most of the other Apple products these days, there's no power brick included. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this. I understand there's an eco-friendly aspect to it, but for someone who's gonna use this product, you're connecting it to a wall outlet. That's most likely where you're gonna use it. Not to mention, the new $99 HomePod Mini comes with a 20-watt power brick. For a product that's meant for charging, not to come with everything you need to charge something makes absolutely no sense. Anyway, I'd recommend getting an adapter on a website like Amazon because they're much cheaper. Even the Apple one's on sale. What it does come with is the USB-C to Lightning adapter, which will plug right into this, but yeah, you're gonna need a power brick. So if you get a 20-watt one, it will wirelessly charge up to 11 watts, and a 27 watt or higher will wirelessly charge up to 14 watts. To compare that, the current wireless technology that I've been using with my other charging pads is 7.5 watts, so that's significant. The charger kind of resembles one of those cute little flippable mirrors your friends had in school. It's got a super soft material and an impressively thin build with just enough space for that lightning cable. The pop-up watch charger is perfect for bands that are seamless. This thing is incredibly small. It's literally the size of my wallet, or maybe even smaller. Look at this little thing. Look at how cute that is. It's so small. Look at that. Seems like a great travel companion, which it's totally gonna be my travel companion. The reason I got this is because, yeah, I do already have some good wireless charging stations. One is the Nomad base station, which has 3 coils on it for charging multiple products. I also have the Eggtronic power brick, which is great for an external battery to charge my laptop or my iPad, and also wirelessly charge items and my Apple Watch. But the thing is, this thing is so small, especially compared to that. Yeah, it's not gonna hold extra charge or anything because this isn't a battery at all, it's just a medium for charging. This does have the MagSafe technology, but what's so great about it is it's also just a wireless charger. So if you have an older model iPhone or even Android that doesn't have MagSafe, it will charge that. And it will even charge your AirPods Pro. So this can charge basically all the wireless charging devices you have. Oh, and don't even get me started on my favorite feature. Oh, sorry, one second. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the middle of something, do you mind? No, I'm filming. Okay, I'll call you later. Okay, bye. That. I can't stop. It's so fun. In fact, I've had to re-record myself saying things to you because I'm just having fun doing this in the background, and I'm like, okay, wait, that's bad for audio. Yeah, $129 is a bit expensive, but I think that this is the coolest gift you can get someone this year, and I think it's gonna be sold out very soon. In fact, at Best Buy it already is. I found these on Apple's website, but this is just so portable. This is a great device for any Apple user to have. I'm sure that competitors will be coming out with less expensive versions that are similar to this, but this is really hot, really cute, really small, really fun to play with, and I'm really excited to take this on short little weekend trips for sure. What do you think about that price? Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna hold off? Are there any charging stations that you already have that you love? Let me know in the comments. That's all I've got for you guys today. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell for alerts. That way you know when my videos drop. Until then, you should watch some of my other videos. I'm Justin, and I'll talk to you later. little slot that will come up, pop up right there, and then there. Boom! I love it.